Hey, it's Ryan and welcome to episode 9 of the Honda XR650L project bike video series. This week, nothing too crazy. We're going to be stripping the swing arm of the old stickers, cleaning those up, and then reinstalling, or I guess installing some new swing arm stickers. And then I think we'll mess with trying to clean up the exhaust a little bit. So nothing too crazy. I took last week off from working on the Honda and took the Norden for a ride. If you want to check out that video, it's up. My dad and I tested out a section of the BDR. But as far as the Honda, nice quick video, and we'll jump into it. So we're going to start with trying to get rid of these swing arm stickers. It looks like it's layered. There's this white one, and it looks like there's another blue one underneath. So we'll start there, see what happens, and then I have some Scotch Brite and steel wool and WD-40. We're not trying to go for a polished like mirror look, but more just to make it look cleaned up. So we'll see what happens. I don't have a heat gun, but I stole my wife's little heat tool for crafting a long time ago. And it's just been out in the garage, so we'll see if this gets the job done. So this part came off somewhat okay, but yeah, it is double layered. So whatever this extra little blue stuff is, it looks like it'll come off too. So we'll do another pass with the heat tool, heat gun, whatever you want to call it, and we'll see. Kind of making a mess though. All right, the sticker came off pretty easily, especially once I started using the razor blade. There's a decent amount of glue residue left behind, so we're gonna hit it with some Goo Gone, and hopefully that'll get all the gunk off. So a couple passes with the Goo Gone, and this is all the glue that came off. Pretty wild. But yeah, it cleaned up pretty well. So we're gonna rough it up, try and get the last of the glue residue off, and then we'll get to making it look pretty. Well, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. I'll worry about making it showroom quality when the bike gets fully torn apart, whenever that happens. But for now, I'm happy with the side panels, how they cleaned up. Again, definitely not perfect, but I'm going to get the Renthal swing arm stickers that came with the new sprocket, and we'll put it on there and jump over to the right hand side and do the same thing. All right, I put the sticker on. I don't really know if I like it or not, but cool thing with the sticker is that we can always just peel it off. I'm going to swap over to the right side and hopefully wrap this up. All right, so the right side was significantly easier. I'm not sure if the bike sat outside where the left side was getting more of the sun or what, but the sticker came off easier. It was a lot cleaner. There was less stuff that I needed to kind of buff out with the Scotch Brite. So we got the sticker on there, and yeah, left and right done. Well, since it seems to be a beautification day, I'm going to see what I can do to the header on this thing. Definitely looks like it had a bunch of junk in there and got hot a couple times and baked some stuff on. But if we look right here, see how pretty it's supposed to be. So I don't know how well this is going to go. Might just be a failure video, but we'll see what happens. All right, so here's kind of the before and after of the exhaust with the can in the header. See if we can't make it look a little pretty. Well, the header didn't really clean up too much differently. I'm gonna have to try something else, but the can itself is nice and pretty. Try and look at that. Not bad. It's a bummer. Most of it's covered by the side plastic, but the header still looks the same. So I'm gonna have to try something else. All right, thanks for tuning in for another video. I know it wasn't super anything in depth or anything like that, but I think the next couple of videos are going to be pretty good. On the list is starting to dive into the suspension. Still haven't decided what I want to do as far as either leaving it stock or if we're going to try and find a whole new clamp system and go with some upside down forks. I don't know. We're going to have to do some searching on that. And then we also have to shave some of the head fins to make the gas tank fit a little better. So two big projects are kind of next up on there, and then everything else is going to be some small things to start making the bike look better. We're going to try and clean up some of the old plastic, but we might just order some new stuff and just kind of go from there. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next week.